I just put the TV on Nick Jr. for her, so. You know, I kind of knew this was gonna happen. My car's a little older, and then I've been I just knew it was gonna happen. Good morning, you guys. Morning hair in all of its glory. So today's Thursday, and we are vlogging today. Gonna do a day in the life vlog. I have so much to do. It's 8:30. We just woke up. I set my alarm to get up way before Sydney, and I shut it off. And then of course Sydney started waking up like earlier than expected. So actually we've been awake for a little bit, but kind of like lazy waiting in bed. Anyway, I'm making coffee, and I have a lot to do. So I have a business thing that needs to be up, like the deadline. I have to get that done today. So I have to, so much to do. So I have to quickly go do my makeup and get dressed for the day, and do the business thing, take some pictures. And then at 2 o'clock I have an appointment at a garage for my car, so my check engine light is on, unfortunately. So I'm thinking it's an oxygen sensor, I don't know. And my inspections also due this month, so I thought I made the appointment for them to check my check engine light, and while they're at it, if they can fix that, then to do the inspection. And I'm just crossing my fingers that everything goes well with that. My appointment's at 2 though, so we do have to skip Sydney's nap again. We skipped it yesterday. So 2 days in a row with no nap, and she woke up a little bit early. Has me freaking out. Anyway, I need to stop babbling because I have a lot to get done before this car appointment, so I'll take you guys along with me. Yeah, Mama has to do her makeup, but I gotta do my hair while you eat breakfast, okay? Get your table and chairs ready, love. She has a whole grain waffle with peanut butter, a banana, yogurt. She has her milk and her water. She's all hooked up. Mama's gonna do her hair really fast.
I wanna give you a million things, cause isn't love what it's all about? And how to make you smile again, something that I wanna figure out. I wanna catch you like every time that you fall. I wanna give you the world that is.
This is behind the scenes of me doing my makeup. So my room's like a dungeon, super dark. So I have my mirror, don't mind the messy room. I have my mirror directly in my window so that I can see myself do my makeup. We're listening to Pandora, I hope. And Sydney is wearing a ponytail. Look at that ponytail! And singing to my music. So yeah, here I am doing my makeup, sitting in front of a window like, I can't see.
If I was God, I would save you, take you where you belonged. If I could, I would give something new, then I would have what it takes. Make you feel like you're safe, cause all I need is just someone like you, someone like you, someone like you.
I love you. My current situation. Okay, so I was finally able to publish my video. It's the DYSPORT Botox video, like the whole vlog. I'm not sure that anyone got their notification that I published it again. So in your subscription feed, I think it's still showing like as of a day ago, not 30 seconds ago. So it's probably gonna really hinder my views, and I don't know, I'm super frustrated. But if you guys wanna see it, I did upload it because I don't even know what I'm gonna say. it's whatever. Apparently this video is just gonna give me problems. But I hope you guys, if you wanna see that video, go to my channel page. Obviously I will have like an iCard here so you can see it. But yeah, I'm sorry about all of that confusion. It's super frustrating for me. But if I had kept it up without it being monetized, I would have lost all pennies. Like I literally would not have made a penny on it, and I need all of the money to pay my bills. That's how I pay my bills. So yeah. Anyway, what's done is done. No looking back. Moving along, the video is posted and I need to just let go and let God and hope that it gets viewed. Sydney, we're gonna put you in a pull-up kit because we're gonna be in the car for quite a while. Oh my word, I'm so nervous about how everything is going to go with my car. I have to put good vibes into the universe, and you know, there's a solution for everything. So, okay, so we literally drove an hour in the car for like nothing. Just something that I needed, but anyway, so we are home for just... You can do it, baby. Take a bite, okay? Don't pull it apart, just take a bite. So we are home now, and Sydney's eating a peanut butter and jelly sandwich for lunch. I have about 40 minutes before we have to leave to go to my car appointment. And I don't even know what we're gonna have for dinner. I need to think of it. I do have chicken thawed, but I have to think of dinner. I really have no idea how long the car thing is gonna take, and I'm hoping that it doesn't take too long because she's exhausted. She almost fell asleep in the car. I love you. Oh, I love you.
I want this. You do that? I'm gonna look here. Yeah. And I want me a house. I have this. I have this.
Someone just put the TV on, Nick Jr. for her, so.
No, I'm tired.
Alright, we made it home. Sydney did okay. Started to freak out the last like 20 minutes, and it was not fun for mommy. My car didn't pass inspection, and it needs a major repair. So the lady's gonna call me back with an estimate later today. And you know, I kind of knew this was gonna happen. My car's a little older, and then I've been I just knew it was gonna happen. Noises and things were happening. But anyway, praying that it's not, I'm praying that it's gonna be like not too bad, but I know it's gonna be very costly. I just want to get through another like 2 years, or at least another year with this car. I don't want to have to go buy another one, not right now. So praying that once, you know, she calls me back, that it's doable and we'll get it fixed. And anyway, it's 3:42 now. I wasn't able to get what I needed to done for work, so now I need to figure out how I'm gonna get that done. And Sydney, oh my goodness, she's just such a handful right now. And it's because she just needs attention, so.
So I need body six.
Okay, having a total convenience center because I had to leave and go to Hannaford again. This day has just been like, get in the car, get in the car, get in the car. Anyway, we're doing just plain rotisserie chicken, nothing special, green beans, and I'm doing a Knorr pasta side here if I stick that in there.
Really unhealthy, but whatever, it's kind of delicious. Parmesan fettuccine. So Sydney and I are gonna have dinner here in just a minute. I also wanted to say thank you for, I officially have 3 Patreons, and that makes me so happy. I know 3 is like, you know, but I'm just so thankful for the 3 of you guys who are my Patreons now. It makes me feel just so thankful and grateful that you're supporting me that much further. And yeah, so Sydney, oh my word, you guys, my poor kid needs to go to bed so early tonight. No nap 2 days in a row. You can only imagine, right? Are you hungry for dinner? I don't even know what time it is. Yeah, it's 5. Are you hungry?
I'm hungry.
Mama's hungry. Can I have a kiss?
I'm hungry.
My poor child hasn't been able to play today, and I feel so mom guilt for it. But hey, you know, I have to get my car inspected and make sure we both have a safe vehicle to drive in. And hey, you know, sometimes you gotta do what you gotta do. So I have to have it repaired, and it's gonna take a few hours to repair later in a few days. What day is today? Oh yeah, so in a few days. Just keep racking up the credit card bills. All right, Sydney's got some chicken. All right, you guys, dinner is over. My child is pantsless, so I'll show you top. We had a long day of just adulting, really. Nothing exciting and fun, just a lot of adulting. And this little girl needs to get some energy out before bedtime since we did a lot of waiting and driving today. I love you. And we're gonna try to FaceTime Mimi, yes, because we just tried, but she was busy, so she's gonna call back. We'll FaceTime Mimi later. Can you say goodbye to the camera, to the vlog? Say goodbye.
Goodbye, back.
Goodbye. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. Give this video a thumbs up if you can totally relate to adult life. Tires? There were a lot of tires at the garage today.
And one time I'm in the room yesterday.
It was today we waited in the waiting room.
In the waiting room.
Yeah. All right, you guys. I will talk to you in the next video. Bye.
He kissed him down, and now he see where Adam is.
Right. Mama's car was on the ground and you couldn't see it through the window anymore.